We are on a popular Upminster test route for the Hornchurch Test Centre. Currently driving on Station Road. Up ahead we've got some vehicles pulled up on the left, so just be cautious in case they move out. Checking our mirrors in good time. We've got Upminster Station on the left. Again, more vehicles to our left. As you can see, hold back for this cab driver, just in case he pulls out. Here we've got a pedestrian crossing, anticipating any pedestrians at the crossing. ALFIE'S Driving School offers expert driving lessons in Upminster with both manual and automatic driving instructors. If you are a complete beginner wanting to learn to drive in Upminster, we just need some refresher lessons, we have you covered. Again, just holding back, let pedestrians walk out. At the traffic lights, we want to take a right turn. Checking our mirrors, indicating right in good time. Again, being cautious, lights have been green for a long time. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Upminster with ALFIE'S Driving School. Our slots fill up fast, so get in touch to secure your driving instructor today.